big news that's coming in as far as the Supreme Court on SBI extension is concerned in the electoral bonds case. The Supreme Court is set to hear on March 11th the plea by SBI seeking extension of time till June 30th to give details of all electoral bonds encashed from April 2019 onwards. The contempt plea by the Association for Democratic Reforms is also set to be heard. All right, so that's the latest that we are picking up as far as this plea is concerned. But the Supreme Court, of course, is set to hear on March 11 the plea by SBI seeking extension. My colleague Harish joins me for more. Harish, good morning. What more do we know as far as the Supreme Court is set to hear on March 11 the plea by SBI seeking extension, that is?
Yeah, on Monday, that is March 11th, Supreme Court will be hearing both the petitions. As yesterday, even Prashant Bhushan had mentioned the matter before the Chief Justice and sought an urgent hearing of the content petition he had filed against SBI for failing to divulge all the details pertaining to the electoral bonds to the Election Commission of India by March 6th. That is the deadline set by the Supreme Court. And remember, earlier, SBI had filed a petition seeking further time till June 30 to furnish information regarding electoral bonds to the Election Commission. And the Supreme Court had, as per the February 15 judgment, asked ECI to furnish entire data on electoral bonds purchased till date, including names of purchasers, denominations of purchasers, and names of political parties that have received contributions. And but the SBI sought further time, saying there are practical difficulties with the decoding exercise and the timeline fixed for it, saying that due to stringent measures taken to ensure that the identity of the donors was kept anonymous, decoding of the bonds and the matching of the donor to the donation made it a very complex process and time is consuming. So, Supreme Court has decided that both these petition filed by SBI...
Harish, I have to interject you there, but I appreciate you getting us all those details as far as how both these pleas are going to be heard, including the contempt plea. But for the moment, let's leave it at that.